Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use dual WhatsApp accounts in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use dual WhatsApp accounts, let's see how can you do that. So open the WhatsApp app and here tap on the settings option, the bottom right corner. And here you can see in iPhone there's no any option to use dual account in a single app. So now to do that you have two different ways. The very first way is that you have to use dual app or any something like that, or you can also use your browser. Here you have to search for web dot whatsapp, or you can also search for web whatsapp or WhatsApp web, and you will be able to use a website version of your WhatsApp. You have to link your device here, and after linking your device you'll be able to use your WhatsApp on your browser, so it will be your second account. Or there's a second way is that you have to open your app store and you have to search for dual app here. Search for dual app, or you can also search for clone app, and here you'll get different apps. You just have to open any you just have to install any app, and after installing the app you will be able to make app clone. It means that if you have a single WhatsApp you will be able to find their double WhatsApps. So after getting double WhatsApp, you can use double accounts. Or there's the third and the very best way is that you have to open the App Store here and you have to search for WhatsApp Business. Yes, it's WhatsApp Business. It's another variant of WhatsApp. I am already using it with no any issue. This is of course exact copy of your WhatsApp app. You can easily use your WhatsApp with more features on WhatsApp Business. So you can use dual account in this way on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.